What's one of the easiest things to cook up in the air fryer? BBQ chicken. If you need a quick and tasty, no-fuss dish that's sure to satisfy everyone, it's BBQ chicken. Well, BBQ chicken breast to be exact. It's one of the fastest and tastiest things to cook up with the air fryer. So watch this video to learn how to use the air fryer to enjoy the great taste of BBQ chicken anytime you want. For this video, we will use the following: 2 pieces of skinless chicken breasts. Seasonings. This depends on what you like, but I usually rub the following on the outside of the chicken: chili powder, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and cumin. Of course, there are many dry rubs out there as well that you can use if you prefer. These seasonings can add a nice layer of flavors, so I suggest using some on your chicken. BBQ sauce, about ½ cup per chicken breast. See the text below for the link to my video for easy and quick BBQ sauce with ingredients you probably have in your kitchen. That's it. In about 20 minutes in the air fryer, you'll have tasty BBQ chicken breast to serve with your favorite sides or to use in sandwiches. To start, put on the seasonings on the chicken breasts and let sit for at least 15 minutes or so if you have the time to let the flavors mix with the natural juices. This step is optional but helps to deepen the flavors. If you don't have the time to use the seasonings, don't worry about it, and your chicken are ready for the air fryer. There's no need to preheat the air fryer. No need to pound the chicken either. Let's keep this simple. Throw the chicken breasts in the air fryer. I'm using a Kasori, but any air fryer should be fine, as long as you stick to the temperature guidelines. For this recipe, we are aiming to cook the chicken so that the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius. Cook on one side at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 205 Celsius for 5 minutes. Take it out. Flip and cook for another 5 minutes at the same temperature. Take it out and take a temperature reading. These went up to about 50 Celsius or 120 Fahrenheit, which still isn't cooked. Put on a plate or something so you can coat the chicken with BBQ sauce. Put it back in and cook at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 205 Celsius for 5 minutes. After that cooking phase, take them out. Take a temperature reading. If not cooked enough, flip it, put it back in the air fryer, and cook again for another 5 minutes. After that cooking phase, take them out. Take a temperature reading. This time, these went to the right temperature, so took them out. If yours haven't, cook them in intervals of 2 minutes, as they should be nearing the cook temperature soon, and you don't want to overcook them, which would result in the meat drying out. Once they are done, take them out and cut into slices and serve them on plates with some sides, or serve them as sandwiches. When serving as a sandwich, you can use the whole breast without cutting it up. However, I tend to cut mine up even when placing them in sandwiches. I like to place them on buns with lettuce, tomato slices, and some bacon. Have some BBQ sauce on the side in case you want to use some more. This BBQ chicken is always a lifesaver when it comes to serving up a quick meal. Easy to prepare, fast to cook, and everyone loves it. So it's something you'll fall back on often. And of course, the chicken can be used in many different ways, so you can't go wrong. With this BBQ chicken, you can always enjoy a taste of summer. If you enjoyed this video and learned something, smash that like button. And if you aren't already subscribed, please do so and hit that bell so you will be notified of any new videos I post. Thanks for watching and see you all again soon.